Hi students, in this video I am going to tell about value of perquisites on motor car. First we have to concentrate whether one car is provided by the employer to the employee or more than one car provided by the employer to employee. If one car and the car is owned or hired by the employer, we have to concentrate whether the car is used for official use, only for private use or for mixed use. In such case, if the car is used for fully for official use, the value of perquisite on car is nil. Value of motor car perquisite when it is used wholly for personal purpose. Now value of perquisite is equal to amount spent by the employer on running and maintenance, including salary of driver, and then deduct amount charged from the employee. That is amount spent by the employee on running and maintenance plus salary of driver. From that amount we have to deduct amount received from the employee. That amount is called value of perquisite in the situation if the car is wholly used for personal purpose. Then the value of car perquisite when it is used partly for official purposes and partly for personal purposes. Here we can divide the calculation of value of perquisites under two category, when the cubic capacity of the engine is up to 1.5 liter and more than 1.5 liter. If the value of cubic capacity is less than 1.5 liter or up to 1.5 liter, value of perquisite is equal to actual amount of expenditure minus 1800 per month, then driver salary 900 per month. After that we have to deduct amount charged from the employee. The final amount is value of perquisite. If the cubic capacity of engine is more than 1.6 liter, value of perquisite is equal to amount of expenditure minus 2400 per month, then deduct 900 per month as driver salary, and then also deduct if there is any amount received from the employee. Final amount is value of perquisite. When employer provides more than one motor car, in that case only one car shall be considered to be used for official and personal purpose, that is mixed purpose, and all other cars shall be considered to be used for personal purposes. Here we can see about if the car is owned by the employee and the expenses borne by the employer. In such situation, if the car is used fully for official purpose, the value of perquisite is nil. If the car is used fully for personal use, value of perquisite is equal to amount reimbursed. And if the car is used for mixed purpose, we can divide that car into small car and then large car based on the capacity. Here if the car is used for small car, value of perquisite is equal to amount reimbursed minus 1800 per month and deduct 900 per month as driver salary is value of perquisite. If the car is large car, value of perquisite is equal to amount reimbursed then less 2400 per month, and then also deduct 900 per month as driver salary. The net amount is called value of perquisite. If the calculation of value of perquisite all the expenses are met by the employee and also the car owned by the employee. In such situation, no perquisite and hence no question of taxability. There is no value of perquisite in such case. Thank you, girls.